Still using traces to manually verify each PAN card one by one? The automated PAN card verifier solves this issue within seconds. It offers the convenience of uploading multiple PAN cards at a time, and all the cards get automatically verified at once. Here's how the quick and convenient automated PAN card verifier works. Click on www.pancardverify.in and hit download. Start filling in the details. Remember to add the tracer's user ID. Once you run the software, start filling in the details. Select the Open XLSX tab to upload your PAN numbers. Paste them under PAN_numbers header in the Excel file. Press Ctrl+S to save. Close the file. Click Import XLSX and wait for the PANs to load. Then click Verify PAN numbers to check them. All the card details along with their status will be displayed. Easily download this file to Excel using the export option. Use the automated PAN card verifier now.